Good morning students, I am Aman Sharma. Today we are going to study graphical solutions. That is solution of simultaneous linear equations graphically based on graphs. This is very easy chapter, just that we know how to plot a line on graph that we have done in the previous chapter, that is chapter number 26, coordinate geometry. We will use that only. So, okay, coming directly to the exercise. So this is your first question. Draw graph for each of the equation given below. So this type of question we have also done in the previous chapter. So x is equal to y. These all you have to plot on graph. You may no need to take individual graph for each equation. You can write at least 4 or 5 on single graph. You can plot 4 or 5 lines on single graph. Suppose this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, so your first question is x is equal to 5. So starting from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So line, this is the line parallel to y-axis at point 5. So this is your x is equal to 5. Same way, the second point is x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5. So this will be somewhat here minus 5. So this line is x plus 5 is equal to 0. In the same way you have to plot the different lines. So fifth part, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. So now here same we have to make a box x, y. First of all we will take x as 0. If x is 0, this will become 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 0. This term will become 0 plus 3y is equal to 0. So 3y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So when x is 0, y is also 0. Now we will take x as 1. So if x is 1, 2 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 0. So that is 3y is equal to minus 2. This 2, the sign of this 2 will change when we will take this to that side of the equal to. So y is equal to minus 2 by 3. So leave this point because we don't want such points, but we can also consider if there is no other point. Now we will try with y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 1, here when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 0. When y is equal to 1, 2x plus 3 into 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 by 2, that is minus 1.5. We can consider this point. So when y is 1, x is minus 1.5. Now we need one more point. We will take y when y is equal to 2. So when y is equal to 2, 2x plus 3 into 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 6 equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. So when y is 2, x is minus 3. Now these 3 points you have to plot on graph. So for one point is 0, 0, one point is 1 comma minus 1 somewhat here. So x is x, this is your x-axis is minus 1.5 and y is 1, so might be this point. So line this. Now third point must also lie on this point. Y is 2 and x is minus 3, so this point. So if all the 3 points lie in the same line, that means you didn't commit any mistakes, you have doing right. So this is how to plot a line. In the same way, you have to find the points for all these 4 are directly you can solve, and for these 4 you have to find the points, just like by making a table and putting the value arbitrary, any values you will find the value of x and y. Just plot that values, and then you have plotted the line graphs for the all the questions. Okay, the second question, you have to plot this line and then this line and find the coordinates of point where the graph drawn meets the coordinate axis. So where this line will meet x-axis and y-axis, this is we have to find. For all this question you have to use proper graphs. For first equation we will put x is equal to 0, for second y is equal to 0, then we will find the value of x and y. Okay, so in the second question, this is your required line. First we will put x is equal to 0. When x is 0, this whole term will become 0, plus 1 by 5 y is equal to 1. From here we have calculated the value of y is 5. So our required point is x0, y5. Next, now we have put the value of y is equal to 0. If y is 0, this whole term will become 0 and 1 by 3x as it is. From here we have calculated the value of x, that is 3. This is the second point, y0, x3. Now for the third point we have to use many different with the experience you will find that, because here is 3 downside and we have already used 3 here x. So now what we will do, we will put minus 3x in place of x when x is minus 3. So on solving this you will get y is equal to 10. So minus 3 minus 3 cancel, and this will become minus 1 plus 1 by 5y. 1 by 5 is equal to 2, y is equal to 10. So when x is minus 3, y is 10. Now you can plot these 3 points on graph. And suppose I am not plotting, but suppose you will find any line. For example, this is your line. So you will have to calculate this point when this line touches y-axis, and this point when this line touches x-axis. So you will also, along with you have to write down these points in your answer. And for sure, when x is 0, y is 5, that means this point will be 0, 5, and y is 0, x is 3, so this point will be 3, 0. In the same way, the next part you have to do, that is your homework. Next, third question, draw the graph of straight line. This is your line, you have to draw the graph straight line for this. Calculate the area of triangle formed by the line drawn and the coordinate axis. So after plotting this line, you have one triangle will be there that will be enclosing between this line and coordinate axis. You have to also calculate the area. So what is the formula of area of triangle? Half into base into height. So for example, if this is your triangle, then you have to find this point and this point. If this is 3, this is 5, so half into 3 into 5. That way you will find this area. Okay, these questions are easy enough, you can easily solve, so I am just explaining the questions. Again here you have to draw a line using this equation. From the graph find x1 when value of x when y is equal to 7. So just you have to find the value of x when y is equal to 7. So after plotting the graph, so suppose this is your graph, you have to check this is when y is equal to 7. So along this whole line, so this is your, suppose this is your plotted line. So here correspondingly you have to check y is equal to 7. So what is the value of x here? That will be this point. This point, for example, this is 5. So your answer will be 5. जो भी the line you have plotted, you have to check where is y7. So that will be corresponding to this point where y is 7. Then you have to check here value of x also. That will be your answer. Same way y is equal to -5. That will be downside. So when y is -5, so along this point just check the value of x-axis. That will be your answer. Okay, 5th, 6th, 7th question. 5th question is just similar to this question. 6th question, use the table below to draw graph. Okay, first of all you have to draw a graph using, you can draw using this value and this value. You can easily draw graph. This will also lie on the same graph. Okay, when you draw this graph, you have to check where x is -1 and corresponding value of y will be a, and then you have to check the y, where is y 5, and the corresponding value of x will be b. Okay, this is also very easy question. Similarly 7th question. Okay, I will explain one then. Okay, the first point was -5 and -2. So this is your x -5, y -2. So this will be your point. Next point is 3, 2. So x is 3 and y is 2. So this will be your point. When we join these 2 points, so this line will go like this. And you have to use a graph, proper graph, so there will be no problem. So now look at this point. We have to calculate value of a when x is -1. So this particular point, x is -1, and what is value of y here? 0. So your answer for a is 0. In the same way, y is 5. So this is value for y 5. So somewhat here, so around here 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8 or 9 must be there. So b must be 9 or 8. So when you plot on graph, that will be very clear. So this is how you will find the value of these variables. Okay, state the linear relation between the variable x and y. So we have to also find the linear relation. That means we have to find the linear equation from which this table is formed. So what is the general equation of line? Y equal to mx plus c. So basically we have to find this value of m and c. So just put any of these values. What is x here? 2. So -2 is equal to m. So y is -2, x is -5 plus c. So this will be -5m plus c -2. So this is your equation number 1. Secondly, x is -1 and a value of a is 0. So x is y equal to mx plus c. Again we will put the value of this is 0 and x is -1 plus c. From here we can make the second equation. So that is m is equal to c. So this is your second equation. This will become minus m, and on that side it will become positive. Just put this value here. Just replace here c by m. So minus 2 is equal to minus 5m plus m from equation. Put equation 2 in 1. So from here, what is the value of m? Minus 4m is equal to minus 2. M is equal to minus 2 by minus 4, that is 1 by 2. Now in this particular case, value of m is 1 by 2 and m is equal to c, therefore c is also 1 by 2. Now putting these values in the general equation, what was your general equation? Y equal to mx plus c. So m is 1 by 2, c is also 1 by 2. From here, just y is equal to LCM 2 x plus 1. So this is your relation, general relation. So this is how you have to find the relation. Just put any two values and then just solve these. This will also become linear equation that solve in the manner. So by any of the method you can solve and you will get the final. Then put the value of m and c to get the relation between x and y. Okay, 7th question is also similar. Similarly, 8th, 9th and 10th, these are also very easy questions. You can just apply the previous formula, how we have done this question. These are also similar, so this is also your homework. So you have to complete this 27A exercise. In the next video I will start